personal best 10.97 also was the national junior record. Trained by Otto Golden. See how she delivers here. Fourth in this race last year.
The outside in day 6 from sprint 10. Mona Burchell.
11.15 to get to this final, representing for Sprint Tech in this final.
Janelle Smith, what a run it was to get her to this final, 11.23.
Every time Janelle Smith, when Marianne steps on the track, she goes faster. 11.30 to get through the heats, 11.23 in the semis. What does she deliver in the final?
And you talk about having brilliant starts. This young lady, she has a brilliant start. Kemba Nelson.
Also getting her first sub-11 this year. Kemba Nelson has done 10.97. She ran 10.98 in her semi. A stellar lineup. Fantastic running. Shelly Ann Fraser-Price is already on the team for the 100 meters to the World Championship, despite what happened in the semis. The top 3 here will join Shelly Ann Fraser-Price.
Conditions are right, and we have seen some great running so far in the 100 meter
On your mark.
This now to bring the curtain down. The show for day 2 of these championships.
The athletes seem to have not heard.
That means maybe the speaker is not working. Right, David, let's see. This is not the time for the speakers to stop working now.
So the second in command for the starters, Mr. Gregory Hamilton. Heard him twice giving the command on your marks. And there's some checks being done now with the system.
None of the athletes moved, which means we heard it better than they did.
Maybe we're the only ones who are getting on the marks.
Well, there's supposed to be a race between Bruce and myself.
I don't think that's the call for it. The athletes will keep themselves warm and active as the anticipation builds for this women's 100 meter final. 10.8, 9.85.
And if you're a viewer and you're nervous, it's okay.
It is, because Bruce is not a viewer and he's nervous.
I think I qualify as a viewer. I'm viewing the race. Jody, I'm viewing the race.
So it seems as if they've sorted out the issues. The green card being shown to the field, so we'll do this for the 3rd time. The final of the women's 100 meters. Natalia White in 1, Natasha Morrison in 2, Shericka Jackson in 3, Elaine Thompson-Herah in 4, Briana Williams in 5, Ramona Burchell in 6, Janelle Smith in 7, and Kemba Nelson in lane 8. They haven't been sent to their blocks just yet.
The starter is testing the sound that the gun makes, and it's not a very convincing sound. When the system is at its best, we hear the shot loud and clear. So it's a combination of the instructions, meaning the on your mark and set instructions, but also very importantly the report of the gun. That sound, we've known on a couple of occasions this weekend, we've heard what I call the pool, the swimming sound, the swim start sound. All right, we're going to try from the start, and then the athletes only go based on the gun.
And then you lose the reaction time.
All right, so
Move the man.
let's see what will happen now for the 5th time, the women's 100 meter finals. Natalia White, Natasha Morrison, Shericka Jackson, Elaine Thompson-Herah, Briana Williams, Ramona Burchell, Janelle Smith, and Kemba Nelson. The set position now once again.
Set.
Underway final time, and now Briana Williams got a great start. Shericka Jackson is running superbly as well. Elaine Thompson-Herah
Shericka Jackson is steadily establishing herself as one of the greatest sprinters in women's track and field history. Originally excelling in the 400 meters, she made a bold switch to the shorter sprints, showcasing exceptional versatility and proving her strength in both the 100m and 200m events. Her evolution in the sport has been nothing short of remarkable, bringing her numerous accolades and record-breaking accomplishments. Her breakthrough came at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics, where she earned a bronze medal in the 100-meter, a defining moment that marked her rise among the sprinting elite. That success rolled into 2022, where she triumphed in both the 100m and 200m at the Jamaican National Championships. She repeated these victories in 2023 and once again in 2024, reinforcing her supremacy despite dealing with injury setbacks during the most recent season. Jackson's most spectacular achievements have come in the 200m, where she ranks as the second fastest woman in history. Her powerful acceleration and flawless technique set her apart on the world stage. Every time she steps onto the track, she adds to her stellar resume, earning comparisons to Jamaican sprint icons such as 100m Thompson-Herah and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. The latest Jamaican Championships featured an exciting women's 100m final. Jackson faced a formidable field that included the likes of 100m Thompson-Herah, Kemba Nelson, and Briana Williams. With Williams making a fast start and Nelson pushing hard at the finish, Jackson kept her cool and ran a superb race to clinch a commanding win. Her time of 10.98 seconds secured her spot on Jamaica's World Championships team, where she'll be a leading contender for gold. In recent years, Jamaican women have dominated sprinting, taking the spotlight from the nation's traditionally top-performing male athletes. While Usain Bolt once headlined the sport, today it's stars like Jackson, Fraser-Pryce, and Thompson-Herah who generate buzz. Their rivalry has pushed the level of competition in women's sprinting, making it one of the most exciting events in athletics. Looking ahead to the 2025 season, Jackson's main focus is staying healthy. Past injuries have hindered her ability to perform at her highest level, and missing the Paris Olympics was a major disappointment. Still, she remains committed to bouncing back stronger and retaining her place at the top. If she can avoid further setbacks and find her form, Jackson is likely to be a dominant force once again in both the 100m and 200m globally. With excitement building for the upcoming season, Shericka Jackson remains at the center of attention. Her shift from the 400m to becoming one of the fastest short-distance sprinters ever is deeply inspiring. With her extraordinary talent, mental strength, and seasoned experience, she's ready to continue shaping her legacy and add to her impressive list of achievements in the years ahead. Beyond her physical capabilities, Jackson's mental resilience has been a cornerstone of her success. Competing at the highest level demands more than just speed. It requires the ability to handle pressure, overcome setbacks, and stay focused through adversity. Jackson has displayed all of these traits consistently. Her maturity on the track and calm demeanor under pressure make her not just a fierce competitor, but also a role model for younger athletes. Her training approach has also evolved significantly. Working closely with her coaches, she has refined her start, improved her sprint mechanics, and developed smarter race strategies. These improvements have helped her maintain consistency across seasons, even when facing stiff competition or dealing with physical limitations. As fans and analysts look forward to the next chapter in her career, one thing is certain: Shericka Jackson's story is far from over. Whether she's chasing more medals or rewriting record books, she continues to push the limits of what's possible in women's sprinting.